Hello everyone, this is Nagalakshmi. This video is about different programs and their associated common features and program specific features. The first program is primitive data types. Common features: instance variables. Variables tied to specific instance of a class. Object oriented approach. Utilizing OOPS principles such as encapsulation and abstraction, no installation needed. Some primitive data types may default to standard initial values. Program features. Primitive data types includes types such as int, float, char, and boolean. Default values display. Understanding default values assigned by the program language. Use of character type. Demonstrating the character data type. Boolean representation. Handling true or false values effectively. Roots of a quadratic equation. Common features: input handling, taking coefficients as input, mathematical operations, calculations like discriminant evaluation, conditional statements, design making for roots types, real, equal, or complex. Program features: discriminant calculation, determining root behavior using b square minus 4ac. Root classification, identifying if the roots are real or imaginary. Complex roots calculation, handling cases where the discriminant is negative. Dynamic input, allowing user-defined inputs for coefficients. Binary search common features. Input handling, accepting a sorted array and target value. Array traversal, navigating through array indices. Conditional logic, applying conditions to determine the search direction. Program features: binary search algorithm, implementing divide and conquer for coefficient searching. Edge case handling, managing empty arrays or out of bound cases. Index based search, using array indices for midpoint calculation. Bubble sort, common features: input handling, accepting sorted data as input. Iteration, repeatedly comparing a swapping elements. Conditional logic, checking conditional conditions for swaps. Modular design, breaking down into manageable functions. Program features: bubble sort algorithm, sorting using repeating swaps. Time complexity, understanding O and spare behavior in worst cases. In place sorting, sorting directly within the input array without etc. space. Dynamic array size, handling arrays of various sizes. String buffer for deletion and character removal. Common features: user input handling, accepting string input from users, string operations, performing deletion and modifications. Conditional execution, removing specific characters based on conditions. Basic input output statements, input output handling for displaying results. Program features: string buffer uses leaving mutable string buffers for effectively operations. Dynamic range deletion, deleting character or substrings dynamically. Character removal, specific removal operations based on your instructions. Error handling potential, managing edge cases